afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Armine's tea party. So, what are we doing today? What do we have going on here? What is this? We're gonna be making some puppets. Armine and I are gonna be making some puppets for another show of Armine's Tea Party Puppets Show.
You want a challenge?
You want a challenge? I always want a challenge with you. What kind of challenge are we doing? Who's gonna make a better puppet?
Me.
You're gonna make a better puppet, or I'm gonna make a better puppet?
I'm gonna make a spider puppet.
You're gonna make a spider puppet, so it's gonna have creepy karate. Whoa, it's gonna. Yeah, that's kind of puppets you're gonna make.
Spider, come on.
Where's this product from? Do you know who got this product?
Mama.
Mama got this product. Where'd she get it from?
From the package.
From the package. Who brought the package?
The
The man, the mailman, or the delivery man?
Yes!
What do we have going on here? This is the puppet. Are you ready to open it? Yeah, let's open it. All right, let's go.
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa!
I think I forgot.
What'd you forget? Oh, look what we have here. Whoa!
What is that?
It's a puppet. Eyes, moving eyes.
More scissors.
Scissors. We're gonna have to be. Whoa, look at all the things that we could do and make. Whoa! Alright. What color is that one?
Blue.
Blue. We have orange. What else we have? Red. What color is this? Nice. Okay. Yeah. What do we have here? Whoa, look at all these hands. Look how they can look like. Look. Oh, wow. Okay, let's put the eyes first. You want to put the eyes first?
Hooray!
Moogly eyes. Hold on here, watch.
Here are the eyes.
Watch. Here. Now put eye there.
Very good.
Nice. Got it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Baby, I want a trunk.
Okay, put the other one. We're gonna put the other eye there. Look. Whoa, good job. Show everybody your progress so far.
Wow!
Here's your eyes. Oh, what kind of nose do you want?
I want an elephant.
You want an elephant nose? Oh, not here.
What about here?
What, you want eyebrows? Hold on, let's see. Moogly. Here's eyebrows. No, is that an eyebrow or is that a mustache?
Huh?
The elephant doesn't have mustache. No. Here, if we want eyebrow, it would go right here.
What is it?
What is this? Your nose, you want a nose? Okay, here, just put it right there. So another one is there. Oh. I'm putting cheeks. Cheeks.
Daddy is eating his meal.
It's eating his meal. It's hungry.
Can you feed it something?
No, can you not?
It's eating it.
Okay, feed it.
I think it's some
Feed
cereal.
the water.
Pink.
What happened?
Pink. Where's the nose?
Here, my love. You got a nose? What kind of nose you got? Whoa, you got this nice. It's nice. It's so thoughtful. Google it, Google it. Rogers. Mr. Rogers and that. Whoa, look at that, Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers, I am Mr. Rogers. Okay, what else Mr. Rogers is missing? Eyes, give us a nose.
Daddy, we have more.
Let's nice. Yeah, nice. You got wings, yo. Okay. Okay, what else we gonna add? Doesn't it need a mouth? Yeah, I'm gonna try it. It's funny. Nice.
Daddy, now can you make the boyfriend top of my name?
What happened? I have Mr. Rogers here. And what do we have here? Red elephant and Mr.
I
Rogers.
think what is you?
You need wings? What happened to the red elephant? He lost his wings or he lost his ear? Who do you have there?
Let's put a chef thing.
What?
A chef hat.
A chef hat? That's a chef hat. I will take it. And this is a red elephant with green nose and orange. Those are fresh peas. What do you have? Who are you? You're a flying piggy. What do flying piggies eat? Salad? What kind of salad? Green salad? Yellow salad? Mr. Rogers, what do you think about this? I really like this Armine girl. She's really smart. And she's not even 4 years old yet. She turns 4 next month.
I want to make a blue.
You want to make a blue one now? Okay, Mr. Rogers says, let's make a blue one. And Mr. Red Elephant says, okay, let's see what we can do with the blue color. Hey, what color is Mr. Rogers?
Orange.
Orange. And Mr. Red Elephant, he is what color?
Picky for
Okay. All right, Mr. Rogers and Mr. Red Elephant. Okay, what are we gonna make? Blue what? What are we gonna make?
blue elephant.
Blue elephant? Another elephant? Let's make a blue cow. Blue cow has a big nose. For eyes.
And for the nose.
Yes. Googly. Moogly. Moogly.
Very good.
Okay, what else we need?
We need it to talk.
You need to chop. Oh no, the eye fell off. Put the eye on Pink Piggy. Okay, we need what is this? Yeah. Put this in the eyebrow.
Yeah, like Mr. Rabbit did. Dad,
Where's more stickers?
no, I don't.
You don't know what you know? They're right here. Whoa.
Good job.
Look at the blue. Who is this?
I don't know.
Who is this? Blue what? Blue cow. Woo woo. Oh, the nose fell off. Oh, there you go. Blue moo moo. What do you have going on there? Who? Who else we got left? We have the green and the green one. Let's do the green one. Who are we gonna make for the green one? Where's more glue? Got it. They're all here.
Can you give me one of those?
Yes, yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're so kind to me. You're so kind to me. You're putting stickies? Why are you putting stickies? What stickies? Are those blue?
Also, you can put something down below here.
Yeah, what do you need to put there? Let's put it
And this. Like a cow poop.
Whoa, that's nice.
It's a cow poop.
It's a cow piggy. What do you mean?
It also.
What happened to the nose, cow piggy?
No.
You need more glue? I need some too.
Look, there's 6 here.
Good. I got eyebrows. What else we need? So we got nose. We got eyebrows, eyes. This is head. The crown. Okay, put his crown. Come on. Here, King Arthur. Is this King Arthur? I don't know. Why would you put it there? Yeah, that's good. Stuck it forever now. Come here, Someone doing it. Oh, look at this King Arthur. Whoa. Let's see it. King Arthur, he's got one green heart and one blue heart. We should name him. What are we gonna name? Mr. Rogers is the teacher.
Mommy, I'm making a giant ball
You're making a giant ball
out of clay.
out of clay. We don't have clay here, we're blue. Yellow penguin. Let's make a yellow penguin. He has 3 eyes.
Yeah, like a goo and like a spider.
What are you doing?
With a chin. They're water blue.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, there we go. We made all of our puppets.
Oh yeah!
We want to make more. All right, let's show everybody what we made. Whoa, look at this one. All right, you want to show everybody?
Oh my god!
You want to show everybody, I mean?
Wow!
Yeah. Oh, we missed the key. Missed the key. What color is your cow? What color is your cow? Blue cow.
What's your
I see a green king, red elephant, yellow penguin. Look at this. Whoa, yellow penguin. Yellow penguin lost his eye. Let's put his eye back. Look at yellow penguin. He looks like a minion. Doesn't he look like a minion?
The eye go down.
Yay! We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ta-da! 6. What kind of project did we do today? What did we make here? We made some what? What are these called?
Yum, 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 yum.
These are called puppets. You are Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers is a teacher. Mr. Rogers is a teacher. But wait, the puppets don't fight.
Mommy?
Red elephant.
There's just one out the
Wow, 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 wow. Look, we have a red puppet, orange puppet, pink puppet, yellow puppet, blue puppet, and green puppet. That's our first time making puppets. We're gonna try this again and probably do a better job. Yay! Thank you for watching. Puppet wheel. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Whoa. Bye-bye.